Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual link materials to the things I get in this box down there in case you just want a few things but not everything in the box. Now let's open this up and see what this is. And by the way, if you missed last month's box, oh my gosh, it was knock your socks off. It was amazing. I'll put a picture of that box up. And I feel like I just got that box. I cannot believe this one's already here. It's crazy. Anyways, this is jewelry grade cord that they put in this box. I love that they do this. I think it's very ingenious. So you can reuse this for jewelry making. And let's see what we're going to have. Okay, in case you're new to this, this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing how to put together the projects in this box. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. We have Hawaiian flowers, avocado green Hawaiian flowers. They're gorgeous. I went out on the boat Sunday and I got a sunburn on the back of my hand. It just looks really, I have lotion right now, but I can't open the bags as well. That's why I'm telling you this. Those are gorgeous. Yeah, it's really bad. It's peeling. I've never had the back of my hand peel from a sunburn. It was miserable. It sounds so stupid too, doesn't it? A sunburn in the back of my hand. That's because everything else was covered in clothes. This is avocado green again. This is like a, by the way, there is like a bronze luster on these. They look exactly the same color wise. These are gorgeous. These beads, this shape reminds me of a Pez dispenser candies, or like some kind of a bean, or like a seed pod. They're really neat. I've seen these come in two sizes. This small size, and there's also a gigantic one. The gigantic one I did recently use in a necklace tutorial. I use it as a pendant. It's huge. It's over an inch long. I'll put a picture up. Look at the purple bead that I use for the pendant and that necklace. You'll see what I'm talking about. Right, we have O beads too in Aztec gold. That's strange. I'm not going to worry about opening that because I need to make this video faster. I have so much work to do. It's ridiculous. I feel like I just can't catch up. This here is a flower bead. It's rectangle shaped. It looks like we might have some kind of a spring box going on here. That's cute. I love that shade of green. It's like a rare color. Never really see that color. It's very pretty. Okay. And then we have seed beads. These are AB Ceylon. They might be 10-O's. They could be 11, but they might be. Yeah, AB. I don't know if you could see that. It might be hard to see. It's AB over top of the Ceylon. It's even more beautiful. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, I didn't know these existed. I would have totally bought these. So I'm still trying to get the bead haul up for Craftica at the store where this comes from, and I was working on editing it. And then I had to stop and work on 5 designs for another box that I got. And it's just crazy. I don't have enough time in the day. That's why I stay up till 3 o'clock at night trying to get working. These are incredible. I love that it's two-tone. It's white and pink, and it's light like bubblegum pink. So cool. So what I was trying to say, and I'm just scatterbrained, I'm all over the place. I got a color like this in Drux, and it's matte. It's amazing. It kind of has white in it, but it's very faint. This one definitely has more white in it. Those are awesome. I gotta put those in my cart. Hopefully they'll be around next Christmas when I make my once-a-year order from Craftica. This is wire guards, and holy cow, what is there, like 8 in there. That means there's probably going to be multiple strands. Last month we had 2 necklaces and a bracelet. So this box has just been incredible. And whoever designs the project for this does an amazing job. The designs are so gorgeous. They actually inspire me, and I've been beading for 27 years now. And yeah, they are amazing. So this here is a gold chain. It looks like a curb chain, which I was not really a fan of curb chain, but now I am loving it. Mostly because of the chunkier curb chains. This is a really nice one. This one's thicker. I usually see this a little bit thinner. That is beautiful. So my favorite chain that I've always been obsessed with is Rolo, and that's because of the designs I've been able to make with that. We have 6mm jump rings, 2 lobster claw clasps in gold, and this looks like a different lobster claw. I think they've changed their clasps. And oh, I love this. What is it? Monstera leaf. I got these, I think, one time in the Czech Beads exclusive box, and I made a bracelet with them. It was a tutorial that I did with this box. I did, I think, a necklace and a bracelet. These are awesome. I think that the color that I had in the past sold out. This looks like the pastel line. There is a very fancy finish on this bead, which makes it look pearly, like a matte pearl. It's gorgeous. So beautiful. I gotta put that in my shopping cart too. And then Crimp Tubes. Okay. And what? I believe these are roundels. They are like a milky, like milk glass. Yeah, basically milk glass color. They're so small. They have really tiny holes. I forgot to get my scooper thing out. I don't know where it is. I found it. Okay, so there's a bunch in there. I didn't get them all out because I don't want to lose them. They're tiny. But that will probably be like a space bead kind of thing. Those are cool. So I'm liking what we have so far. These are their diamond cut jump rings. These are awesome. I really like those. They're nice quality. And then, oh my gosh. Okay, so this bead here again, the Pez candy looking bead. This is white. It has white and there's like white. I don't know if you could really tell it on camera. There was something just recently I got on camera. I wanted to go edit it. It did not look right on the camera. There is a white line around here. Like there's a white center, kind of like a pale, maybe a pale pink. And then there's this darker pink going around it. This silk pink. Yeah, I hope it's showing up. It's really unique. This one I can really see that little, like a white line right there on the sides. It's gorgeous. Alrighty. More green peridot colored pinch beads. Always been attracted to glass beads more than gemstone. And a great thing about glass beads is you can wear them in the sun and they don't fade like gemstones do. And I found out the hard way because I had a beautiful Bali Appraisalite pendant and I wore it in the sun and it faded on me. Those are really pretty. This looks exactly like peridot gemstones. And I really liked them in the pinch shape. Okay, and then bead string wire in gold. And then, oh my gosh. This is a ceramic bead. Very decorative. And I think I got one like this before, but it was a different color and maybe even a different shape, but it was kind of similar to this. This is really high quality. I've gotten ceramic beads before where the end here is chalky and it's unsealed. Do you see how shiny this is on the end? Both ends. It's sealed really well. That's beautiful. And it's so heavy. Okay, that's awesome. And then after that, there's still more. We're still going. What's this? I gotta dive to this bead here. Oh my gosh. Wow, these look vintage. I've never seen this before. This is like that silk. Where's it at? This one was silk. And was that it? This was another one. Anyways, it has that. See the silk? It looks like silk fabric. It's twisted. It's really large. So there's a 4. Actually, this reminds me of starfruit. I have a starfruit tree in my backyard, and that thing pops out laundry baskets full of fruit. Sometimes I'll get like 2 laundry baskets of fruit off of that tree. It's crazy. Anyways, this really does look like starfruit. No, the starfruit has 5 sides. Sometimes it'll have 6 sides. And it even will look twisted like this at times. Anyways, this bead is incredible. I really like that. I would also like to reorder this. And I wonder how many they would sell in a pack because they're so large. Would it be like 4 beads? They're really big. I think it's like 12 millimeters long. They're incredible. They look so vintage. Oh my gosh. I love this. That's pretty. Is this the one I got in the past that I used for Creative Dreams bracelet? I don't remember. Anyways. This is the regular... Wait a second. This is not green. It looks green. This is turquoise. With like travertine over it, which is making it appear green. There's the hole. If you look closely, there's turquoise right here. See? Turquoise on the sides. That's pretty. I've noticed it's like impossible to get turquoise flower beads on, oh my gosh, on the Czech Beads exclusive, what's it called, Craftica website. Seems like they're always sold out. These have to be the most beautiful beads, the color that I have seen in this shape. I'm at a loss of words today. Yeah, things aren't coming out right. Wow, this is just so gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. They actually look just like the acrylic beads. Oh, I am noticing that there is a lot of acrylic beads, plastic beads being made with the same exact like molds that these Czech beads are being made with. My favorite anemone flower. I've been seeing that in plastic now, and it looks exactly like glass. It's like impossible to tell. Anyways, we got some gold oval jump rings. This is the color I got before. Yes? I think it is. So this is matte green. What's it called? Monstera? 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 Monstera. Now I'm going to say it wrong. Oh my gosh, it looks so velvety. It's really bizarre. So this went out of stock. That's why I never bought them. But I also love that it looks like a heart. Incredible. It's definitely one of the most beautiful flower or leaf beads I have seen. These are beautiful. This is Lilo something luster. Not Lilo Vega luster, I swear it's purple. This is that chalk line again. It's 4mm Czech Fire Polish beads. I actually got these in the 3mm. And I think I used them in one of those giant bracelets that I made that took me like several weeks to do. Good grief. This is another silk bead. The color. Yeah. So it's like this one. Really pretty. I do think that I like this shape more though. The Pez Candy beads. Alright, so this is very exciting. This actually reminds me of another box that we did. I think it was in January or something like that. Here is everything we are getting in this month's BohemStyle box. Remember, I'm going to have a picture at the beginning and at the end of what all of this looks like put together in case you're interested in getting this. And I'm going to have the link for the subscription box down there below in the description bar so you can go and get it. And I'm also going to have individual links to the materials you see here. In case you want some of these beads, you'll see links down there. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.